Hi, Steve of Green Nation. I'm gonna make a little video showing any potential clients our crews in action. We got an 80 square roof that we're doing here today. It's very steep, 12 and 12 pitch, 16 and 12 pitch. It's almost straight up and down. Just wanted to show any potential clients that any roof that you have, any roofing job that you need completed, we can handle it. Got to take our time with this one.
Be safe about it.
This roof is 85 squares, going back with a timberline, high definition. Color is weathered wood. We're in a homeowners association, so we got to match everything. All right, so we're on day 2 of this 80 square roof install. A lot of times on these 2-story houses like this, you can't get the trailer right where you want it, so we got to lay tarps out, pick up all the debris, just work with what we got. So the guys are going to have the front side of this house tore off today, and we'll go from there.